India's population just hit a massive milestone by officially overtaking China to become the most populous country in the world. While that's definitely a cause for celebration, but it's worth asking, what does it mean for India's economy? Let's explore the impact of population growth on India's labor market, manufacturing industry, and IT sector. India is currently enjoying a demographic dividend, meaning it has a large number of young people who can drive its economic expansion. That's why Indian officials, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, are excited about the country's population boom, which is causing its working age population to bulge. With more workers in the labor market, India can provide more goods and services, earn a higher income, and fuel higher consumption and investment. According to CII, India could even grow to a $40 trillion economy, larger than the US is today, by 2047 if it adequately leverages its young population. That's not just a pipe dream either. The CII report predicts that India's working age population will increase by 115 million between 2020 and 2030. That's like adding the entire population of Japan to the labor market. India's manufacturing industry is already one of the largest employers in the country, and with the population set to grow, there will be a significant increase in the number of people seeking employment. This increase in the labor force will enable manufacturers to expand production and meet the growing demand for goods. What's more, every new job in the manufacturing sector has a multiplier effect and creates 2-3 new jobs in the service sector. This is invaluable for a country like India, which is not only has an unemployment rate of 7.78%, but a high disguised unemployment rate, especially in the primary sector. That means there are a lot of people working in roles they are overqualified for, and they could be much more productive in higher skilled jobs. Moreover, the increase in population will result in a larger domestic market. As more people enter the workforce and earn more money, they will have greater purchasing power, leading to an increase in demand for goods. This increased demand will provide manufacturers with an opportunity to increase production and generate higher profits. The increase in population will also drive innovation in the manufacturing sector. With more people entering the workforce, there will be an increase in the number of skilled workers. This increase in skilled workers will drive innovation, leading to the development of new technologies and more efficient manufacturing processes. One of the most notable impacts of India's population growth on the IT industry has been the availability of skilled labor. With more people entering the workforce, there is an increase in the number of individuals with the necessary skills and education to work in the IT sector. That's why India has become a hub for IT outsourcing, providing companies around the world with talented programmers, developers, and engineers. Another important impact of India's population growth has been the increase in demand for IT services. As more people in India gain access to the internet, there has been a corresponding increase in demand for IT services such as web development, software development, and digital marketing. This has created new opportunities for Indian IT companies, which are now able to cater to the needs of both domestic and international clients. Furthermore, population growth can also drive innovation in the IT industry. As demand for technology grows, companies are forced to develop new and innovative solutions to meet the needs of the market. This can lead to the creation of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, which can have significant impacts on various industries and even transform the way we live and work. As India's population continues to grow, it is likely that the country will continue to be a major player in the global IT industry, driving innovation and creating new opportunities for both domestic and international businesses. In conclusion, while some may view India's population growth as a challenge, It also presents many opportunities for the country's economy to grow and thrive. From a larger labor market to increased demand for goods and services, India's population boom has the potential to fuel significant economic expansion in the coming years. However, it is important for policymakers and business leaders to properly leverage this demographic dividend to ensure that India's future success is sustainable and inclusive for all its citizens.